Joan Fadala, 2016 Scottsdale History Hall of Fame honoree. Joan Fadala is a retropreneur. She's made it her business to kindle our interest in the historic people, places, and events that have made Scottsdale great. As a community historian and author, she's brought to light many forgotten but fascinating areas of Scottsdale's past and helped the city, its businesses, and organizations preserve and celebrate their legacies. She's also served on many Scottsdale nonprofit boards and city commissions, championing preservation, human services, and history. Joan began dreaming of a life in Arizona by playing indoor cowgirl on snow days in Cincinnati. She got her first taste of the state during a family camping trip in 1961. After graduating from Ohio State and commissioning as a second lieutenant in the U.S. Air Force, she got her dream assignment as a public affairs officer at Luke Air Force Base. Joan met and married Air Force fighter pilot Gene, and they spent many off-duty hours in Scottsdale at places like Riata Pass, Trader Vic's, and the Windmill Dinner Theater. After serving in several other Air Force and corporate public relations positions throughout the U.S. and overseas, she landed back in Arizona in 1991 as the communications director of the Scottsdale Chamber of Commerce. From the moment she arrived, she started researching area history, realizing that it was important to understand the context in which many of the significant changes taking place in Scottsdale were occurring. Joan's first history project was documenting and planning events to celebrate the Scottsdale Chamber's 50th anniversary in 1997. She also led a chamber team that made some history of its own, earning a national award for the innovative City of Good Sports Reporter's Notebook, distributed to media covering the Valley's first Super Bowl in 1996 and launching the Chamber's first website in 1997. Joan started her writing and consulting business in 1999 with a focus on researching and communicating the many aspects of Scottsdale area history. A national publisher asked her to do a coffee table book on Scottsdale history that would benefit the McDowell-Sonoran Land Trust. Historic Scottsdale, A Life from the Land premiered during Scottsdale's 50th anniversary of incorporation and put Joan on the map as a community historian and author. Since 2001, she's had 6 additional books published. Subjects include the history of Scottsdale in photos, our first century of golf, 25 years of the Desert Highlands golf lifestyle, 50 years of Scottsdale Charros community service and spring training support, the life of civic leader Zena Kuhn, and Scottsdale's grassroots effort to create the McDowell-Sonoran Preserve. She's also published hundreds of history features in a variety of publications and contributed to other books. To Joan, research and writing is the first step in telling the backstory of how the people, places, and events in Scottsdale have changed over the decades. In all her client and pro bono projects, her goal is to encourage pride and involvement among Scottsdale residents and businesses so that Scottsdale keeps its very special cachet. She's given hundreds of presentations to civic, alumni, business, and veterans groups at museums, libraries, resorts, senior centers, churches, clubs, and work sites. She's consulted with companies, resorts, the city, and nonprofits to restore their lost bits of history and helped each group commemorate the significant contributions they've made to Scottsdale. Joan was instrumental in establishing the Scottsdale Public Library's digital archive of historic photographs in 2006, giving residents, students, and a global audience online access to retro Scottsdale. She's also been the Scottsdale Chamber's historic consultant for the past 15 Scottsdale History Hall of Fame events, interviewing 79 honorees or family members in order to present their history-making lives to the community. Joan is a consummate community volunteer. She's chaired the Human Services Commission and Partners for Paiute Neighborhood Center Board and serves on Concerned Citizens for Community Health at Vista del Camino. An ardent supporter of preservation, Joan has served on the McDowell-Sonoran Preserve Commission and the McDowell-Sonoran Conservancy Desert Discovery Center Scottsdale boards. She combines her love of history and the arts by serving on Scottsdale's Museum of the West Board and the Scottsdale Historical Society Advisory Board. A graduate of Scottsdale Leadership, Class 9, and recipient of the Frank Hodges Alumni Achievement Award, she is a frequent speaker and bus tour guide for leadership classes. Joan served on the Friends of the Scottsdale Public Library Board for 12 years and received the library's Spirit of Literacy Award. She's a trustee of the Pinnacle Presbyterian Church Foundation and was Women of Scottsdale's 2002 Woman of the Year. Joan and Gene loved to golf and travel, right up to his untimely passing in 2012. She continues to travel with friends and family, is an avid reader of thrillers and historic novels, and attends a wide range of lifelong learning programs. As Scottsdale evolves and matures, Joan will enjoy helping us understand how we got to where we are and give us a sense of place. She'll inspire us with examples of Scottsdale's historic, big, hairy, audacious ideas to help us forge a bright future. Whether entertaining with photos of Parada del Sol, or spring training, or describing golf on dirt fairways, or saluting World War II aviation cadets at Thunderbird 2 Airfield, Joan Fadala is Scottsdale's storyteller, curator of colorful characters, and relentless retropreneur.